What if I told you the secret to building wealth isn't found in books, courses, or late-night YouTube rabbit holes? It's hidden in plain sight, but 99% of people ignore it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. No one gets rich alone. If you're trying to build wealth in silence, you're already falling behind. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why "Together We Rise" isn't just a motivational quote. It's the ultimate wealth-building hack. Stay with me, because the last point might just change the way you look at money forever. We live in a world that glorifies the lone wolf, grind in silence, self-made millionaire. Sounds cool, right? But here's the plot twist. No one actually makes it alone. Think about every wealthy person you admire. Jeff Bezos? He started Amazon with 3 co-founders. Elon Musk? He had investors and engineers behind him from day one. Yet most people are out here trying to figure everything out, just solo. Question: would you rather spend 10 years learning from your mistakes, or 1 year learning from someone who's already been there? Exactly. Unless, of course, you enjoy ramen noodles for the next decade. In that case, keep grinding alone. Here's where everything shifts. The fastest way to build wealth isn't to hustle harder. It's to stand closer to the right people. Imagine you're at the gym, surrounded by people lifting heavy weights. What happens? You push harder. Now imagine you're in a room where everyone's talking investments, business ideas, and building wealth. What happens? You level up without even realizing it. They call it the proximity principle. Your network literally programs your net worth. But here's the scary part. Most people will never experience this, simply because they're too afraid to reach out. And if you're waiting until you're ready, you might be waiting forever. So how do you actually tap into this? Step 1. Stop trying to impress people. Start trying to connect with them. Step 2. Invest in communities, masterminds, and conversations. Not just stocks and crypto. Step 3. Offer value before you ask for it, because the fastest way to get into the right rooms is to carry something with you. Here's the exciting part. When you rise together, wealth isn't just faster, it's easier. But if you're thinking, what if I don't have the right people around me? Good. That means you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Because the truth is, the people who rise together usually start from scratch, together. The only question is, will you be the one who reaches out, or the one who watches from the sidelines? If you're ready to stop building alone and start rising with the right people, hit that subscribe button, because this isn't just a channel. It's the start of something bigger. Together, we rise. Would you like me to add background music cues or visual suggestions to go along with this script?